old man.
Because no never knew. Oh, I could some can name miss.
Good afternoon.
Only nacho. Number 24.
Madam, number 24 be safe. You can't train house from here. You see number 24. Now why you come to disturb us?
Okay, you love me. But as one can you? When you want Mumbiko can join you. Okay, play. Love it. Are you both husband and wife?
What will concern you?
No, we are still dating. About to marry.
Still dating? About to marry?
Yes, about to marry.
You guys are not married yet. About to marry.
Hey! Is there any problem?
No, there's no problem. Oh. Wait, there's no problem. But, Mom, okay, thank you. I have advice for you. About to marry. You guys are not married yet. This moment, as this particular moment, Kolun kegi. Ima live mini nive yako. Iwatan. Amam ki wata ye mini li kolun kegi. Yedina. Kotan kegi. Because tomorrow may not be your turn. Yes. Tomorrow you both won't be standing here. Oh yike. Obunyo na bafo. Bonkwa. So nem kolive ya kolokita ki shift wo. Obuni fela drug na anya. Unu ekuro nu di na nwunye. Unyele mind who lebe na me love. Ekwekwa m nke m.
Madam.
What acha ye mini buy? Ye mini bụ nwa m. Kọlu nke gị. Nwoke kita da trust. Kọlu ego napụti ya bi kwesịrị napụti ya. Maka echi it won't be your turn. He will be standing with another person. Maybe your car for okay. So today is your turn. Make use of your time. Oh? It's not number 24 to go. After this one, the other house.
After this house, your house you go find. That is number 24.
That is number 24.
Wala woman.
Excuse me.
Oh?
Leave me alone. So you are cheating on me. In fact, I'm done with this relationship. I can't continue.
Never leave.